Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Velocity 2014 in Santa Clara. I'm here with Kyle Gentry. Kyle, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. So you're with Instart Logic.
Correct.
And what is Instart Logic?
We replace traditional CDNs with a technology that we call software-defined application delivery. So we basically make websites and web applications really fast, specifically for mobile devices.
So you're a software play. You're a software-defined...
Correct, yeah. Software is basically our focus. We do have hardware as a part of our overall infrastructure, but we think that hardware is more or less being commoditized. So software is the thing that's differentiating us.
Yeah, so a lot of companies are in a transition from being a hardware company to a software company, and you're already there?
Yeah, for the most part, yes. So we have the fastest kind of hardware that we possibly can have, but the assumption is that there's going to be more cores, better networking. Banking on having the best hardware is probably not the best bet. Plus, our software is the thing that we believe is going to make sites as fast as possible moving forward.
So what sort of optimization do you guys do on your layer, basically?
Sure, yeah. So we leverage virtualization, and we actually have a footprint that's not only on our own network, but actually extends all the way to the browser, that allows us to make intelligent decisions around how we're delivering content based upon a number of factors. As an example, like someone that's using an Android device, using a Chrome browser on 3G connection, may have an optimal way that that content's delivered that's very different than someone that's leveraging an iPhone using Safari, that's different than Firefox on a PC. And we basically are smart enough to say this is the best way to deliver that content without affecting the application, but ensuring it's as fast as possible.
When you say intelligent decisions, do you mean you guys are doing it or machine learning is doing it?
Yes is the answer. Yeah, so we're making those intelligent decisions. We're using big data. Most of our actual company comes from virtualization in the big data space. But yeah, we're learning over time and making those decisions up front, but also as we get smarter, we make different decisions in some cases.
And so where are you guys located?
We're in Mountain View.
You are? So
yep.
And how old are you?
We were founded in 2011, but we came out of stealth last June at last year's Velocity. We've raised about $55 million from Kleiner Perkins and Andreessen Horowitz and Greylock, and we're off to the races so far.
So how are you finding the conversations at Velocity here this year?
Conversations have been great. I think everyone's recognizing that mobile is a very important bit of traffic. That has been true now for the second year in a row. They're recognizing that conversions are critical on those devices, and performance on those devices is probably the number one culprit that's affecting conversions. And so our ability to focus on that makes the conversations pretty fun.
Excellent. Kyle, we look forward to seeing you at future Velocity events.
Great.
Thank you.
Yeah, really nice meeting you.
Thanks.